You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. This is a French word, and this is also the name of a village or a municipality in Illinois. Is it a village or a town? Let us know in the comments. French pronunciation, the original one, is Bourbonnais. 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 Now it's been anglicized in the US in particular and pronounced as Bourbonnais. Bourbonnais or Bourbonnais as well. I think there's a bit of confusion around where the stress goes, in English at least. In French, Bourbonnais. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.